Pastor Clyde Reed is celebrating today's Supreme Court decision.
I say I never dreamed my small church signs would be a topic for the U.S. Supreme Court.
Because it wasn't just about them. It was about all of us. Because today it's the pastors and the church's speech, and tomorrow it could be yours.
Today's High Court decision affirms that religious speech is protected under the First Amendment and cannot be treated as inferior to other speech. In 2005, the town of Gilbert twice cited Pastor Reed for violating its sign code, which subjected him to possible fines and even jail time. The issue at stake? Small signs Reed placed inviting the community to Sunday morning church services. Gilbert's sign code restricted the church signs to a maximum of only 6 square feet. Other signs in Gilbert could be as large as 80 square feet. Reed's sign could only be up for 12 hours, mostly at night. Other signs were not subject to the same time limits.
The church, as the little guy in this David and Goliath battle, if you will, was just trying to invite people to its Sunday services. But yet it would have to go out in the dark of night on Saturday and put up its few signs, and then as soon as church was over, it would have to go out and collect those signs before it received another notice from the town that would entail possible jail time and substantial fines.
Meanwhile, political signs can stay up for 5 months, and ideological signs indefinitely. Alliance Defending Freedom filed suit against the city in March of 2007 on behalf of Good News Community Church and Pastor Reed. Today's unanimous decision ends more than 8 years of litigation.
This restriction was, in our opinion, so clearly unconstitutional that 9 Supreme Court justices agreed, and I think that speaks for itself.
That which we couldn't do freely before, we can now, and we're looking for growth. And I can't help but think the vast majority of Americans will be very encouraged by this decision.